In this video, we'll show you how to use the green screen effect on TikTok. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. The green screen effect is a great tool because it allows you to change the background of your video. Let's get started. First, open TikTok and tap the plus button at the bottom to create a new video. Then you can choose the video length. Let's go with 60 seconds for this example. Next, tap the effect icon to the right of the recording button. Scroll down and select all effects at the bottom of the menu. At the top left, you'll see a magnifying glass. Tap it to search. Now, type green screen or just green into the search bar. The effect should pop up, and you'll want to select the most popular option at the top. Once you tap on it, your camera will switch to the front-facing view. If it doesn't, tap the flip button in the top right corner. As you can see, the background is now removed. Now, you can choose a photo from your gallery. I'll select this one here, for example. To start recording, just press and hold the shutter button. Now you're recording with the background removed. When you're done, you can stop recording, record more if you'd like, edit it, and post it when you're ready. That's all there is to it. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video.